David.
Wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have a sorry.
Right.
Yeah.
Smells.
Yeah, it does. I think it needed to come out.
Okay. We tried our best.
Good?
Yes.
Sorry about that, doctor. Is it all out or is it?
95%. 5% is not possible. It was a sac-like or capsule-like thing. Nothing coming out except the blood now. So
Will it come back?
chance is yes, there is chance, but maybe not in 1 or 2 years.
Okay.
At least 1 year. Okay, can you please come here and push it a bit hard? As the bleeding, we need to have a pressure bandage.
Okay.
Right. Hold it for maybe 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, hold it, and then pressure bandage. Okay.
Just straight put outside?
Yeah.
Just straight put outside?
Yes.
Okay.